Hello, so Charlie, friends, Charlie, this trend they go on for YouTube where you know the joke. Charlie of late, we don't know what they happen. Charlie, the girls then come, Charlie, god damn it. Charlie, they say this how do you call them, this silhouette challenge where Charlie, you go there, they light be white like this, and before you realize, then the light turn red like this, then Charlie, people them are skin, they do them are naked, god damn it. Charlie of late, the ladies then come, then what pound? So you go there, then you go hear some sound. Put your hands on my shoulders. Then the light will just turn red like that. Then you don't know what is happening. You don't know what is happening. Charlie, you know me Joe. People them are asses. You go, hey, Jesus Christ. Charlie, the videos. You know me so if you know watch them, go take a day TikTok, a day Twitter, go watch some. Charlie, people are doing things. You see somebody's breast, you see somebody's ass, you are like, and it is naked, it is all empty, naked, nothing is covered. Once they enter into the red line like this, then everything is discarded. You see them, silhouette challenge, then the red light, then oh god damn it. There is a goal. When I see them like that, then I realize that there is a goal somewhere. See, I got some of the videos. Oh yes. I got some of the videos and just watch this. Just watch some of them. Watch some of the videos. That is why I joke. Oh. People ain't joking. I say we are porn actors and we are porn models. We were just waiting. Some of you were just waiting for the silhouette challenge. Now we just wait for the silhouette challenge. Make it come then. Yeah, we go see the real devil in us. Charlie, you know we joke. Oh. Sure. People they do things. People are doing things. People are Charlie. Where me? At the talk say Charlie. This challenge, the Ghana girls, you people make you relax. We Ghana girls, you know your capability. You people you should relax. Make Nanado lock us down. If Nanado lock us down, then people will start us. We'll use that one to while away the lockdown. Because Charlie, what is happening is an asshole. Hey, no be joke. It's not a joke. Hey, silhouette challenge. Hey, my contact friends, none of them have done some more. But I know them, they are waiting for lockdown. When the lockdown goes when the lockdown happens like this. Ghana girls. Yeah, we love our Ghanaian girls. You know your capabilities. Ghanaian girls, do it and then turn the light into red. Let the light become red. And when the light becomes red, then you naked yourself. When you naked yourself like that, then Charlie, you just give us the red lights and then off we go. Whether you like it or yes, I am coming to do my own. They just have showed what they got, so me too, I'm about to show what I got. I don't have the song, so I'll sing the song myself. Put your hands on my shoulder. Charlie, the videos, you know the joke. Where the videos there, if you watch, I go be you. Oh yeah, this video is like there, they watch. Before you go realize, when your data finish with that. Your data will finish simple. Your data will finish with Charlie. Now they cash out. The telcos they cash out because silhouette challenge. Boys will watch and they will forget themselves. Vaseline. Hey, Jesus Christ. Boys are watching. They are making the silhouette challenge a hit. Omomana a hit. A man they didn't buy it, so young boys, you're barely hit a mama. Silhouette challenge. Then you see, before you realize that the light is off. I don't know where they get the red lights from. I don't know whether it is traffic light or whatever. Red means stop. And that's why it doesn't stop them. Red means continue. That is where you see them. See some people's nipples in the shadow. Oh, god damn it. You realize that there is a God somewhere. Hey, Charlie, we are devils, so Me, from where I come from, I thought red light is for stop. Red means stop. But this one, when the red light comes on, that is where you see that, yes, things are hiding under material, things are hiding under the cloth. Silhouette challenge is on, my sister. Join it and do some. Join it and do some. Who knows? Maybe then be claiming your word. Jesus. You don't be joke, oh. You don't be joke. You don't be joke. See, almost 1 gig data. Go on the one. I'm talking for a friend. His name is Black Arabian. Yes. Almost 1 gig of his data gone. Just like that. Silhouette challenge. Or was watching Silhouette challenge. Vaseline 1 container finished. 1 gigabyte data gone. I don't know what is next. Tissue papers vanished. Hey, Black. Challenge, you people. Silhouette challenge, you shouldn't stop now. No, we are not ready for it to end. It should go on from now to 2022 before the World Cup comes. This is what will keep us surviving. We will survive. Our corona is worrying our lives. So Silhouette challenge is the best deal. We are going with Silhouette challenge from now to 2022. No stopping, no red light. The red light means that you should continue. Say more koso. We should continue for us. Silhouette challenge. I love it. All the best to everybody who wants to join. Ladies, feel free to join the Silhouette challenge. Make sure that your body should be intact. It should draw. Yeah, that is the Silhouette. Like when I did my own, you saw how my body was drawing inside. Yes. So the Silhouette challenge is on. Make sure you join, and then make sure you subscribe to my channel. My name is Bra Kojo Montana. When you see me in town, just holla Bra Kojo Montana, and I respond. God damn it. There is a God somewhere. Peace. I'm out.